Hi, welcome to our Thai life. We're at Sampanam Floating Market.
It's reopening today and they just re-renovated it, so we're here on the first day that it's back to check it out and see what it's like. You've been waiting for this to reopen for a while, right?
Yes, it's they've been closed for a couple months.
Sienna, are you ready to check out the floating market?
Yes, I've been to one before.
Yeah, we have been to one before, but this one's by our house, like 5 minutes, right? Yeah.
Look!
Oh, they're ready for Christmas, or they never took it down after last Christmas. You never know.
I want to go this way.
Nemo, right? Nemo fish?
It looks like they've cleaned it up pretty good, right?
Yes, they renovate new. Everything look good.
Clean.
Look new.
It's clean.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it looks new, but it looks clean for sure. Good to see something in Thailand that's been kept up nicely, because sometimes that's hard to find. All right, we've got a cafe. Cute. Oh, they're the bags that I want. I'll have to come back next month and get one. Alright, so we've got souvenirs. The knockoff, I don't know what they're even called, but those bags.
They're like
Fake Crocs. Yeah, they're like rubber or silicone or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get one next month.
I know this. Don't start dancing. Don't start dancing, Sienna.
Probably a very big fish in there, I'm sure.
Yeah.
It said you could feed them, so we can do that later.
Yeah.
It's pretty empty right now, but it's still early in the day for a Friday. Oh, hello, Sienna. Oh, cool. They've got like a little store where you can rent the clothes and walk
1 hour,
around.
1 hour 100 baht, 2 hour 150 baht.
That's cute.
I keep seeing that.
We'll have to come do that sometime.
Yeah.
For Sienna's other channel.
Yeah.
Just dropping that little hint that Sienna has a new channel coming out with some friends soon. We're excited to share. All right, we've got another little ice cream shop.
I see a nutcracker.
Oh yeah, we'll go look at it. Right now, let's just look around and see what they have, and then we can maybe get something. We've got hair braids. Elephant pants. I need a new pair of elephant pants.
Yeah, that one look comfortable.
Yeah, they do. Alright, we've got sugarcane juice. I'm not a fan, but Poon likes it, right?
Yeah, it's good, fresh.
Hey Sienna, will you ride that bike and pull me around the market?
It has side wheels.
Yeah, they use those in Vietnam a lot. You can get a ride. Alright, we got a little bar. Oh, we'll have to come try this out next time. That's my style right there. Those chairs look comfortable too, right?
I mean, you can keep going.
Yeah, no, you're gonna keep walking with us. Are you a nutcracker? Oh, I think these are cement, so these are here all year.
Oh, green, good. Oh.
Wooden guns. Oh, that's a cute idea. You can paint different things like crafts. Looks like it's supposed to be like a Thai mailbox. I'm gonna go put some mail in. Some fake mail. Who do you want to send some fake mail to? I'll send drop a postcard.
What postcard?
An imaginary postcard. Still use your imagination. Go drop it in the box. When this is a mailbox, you probably don't even know that, but you slip your letters in here and then the post people come and take it. Oh, watch out. This one right here. Put your fake letter in. This one. Yeah, go put your fake mail in.
Is there really anything inside?
I don't think so, honey.
I want to see.
Alright, let's keep looking. What else they have?
Look, it's a rainbow.
Fruit wine.
ถ่ายได้ค่ะ ถ่ายได้ค่ะ
I need to learn in Thai how to say we don't have any money, but we'll come back.
ถ่ายได้ค่ะ ถ่ายได้ค่ะ
Ooh, that is cute. That's like on the
Just kidding, but I almost did.
Kidding or real?
That one was kidding, but before I almost really did. Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Not as big. Toys.
You want to dance? About fishing stuff.
Oh, but look at this one.
Yeah, that one
It looks like
nice.
it's painted. I want that one. That's cool.
Look nice. Okay. 80 baht.
Okay.
Pork steak, chicken steak.
Chicken.
You want chicken?
Yes.
Chicken steak.
Then you get.
You want 80 baht or double?
This one's fine.
You mean one stick?
You just have that.
You want one stick?
No, I want one set.
One set? Okay.
เอาไก่2ชุดเลย
ครับ Satay.
Oh, you got
Chicken.
2 orders of them? Okay. Go smell those noodles?
Yeah.
Seriously. Wanna try some satay?
Yeah.
You used to like these. You tried them before. Probably really hot, but that's good.
I hate them.
Okay, they're daddies, so leave them there, please. Peanut sauce. Vinegar sauce.
No, which side are you gonna
That's good. Need some more onion though. If you get satay, you have to dip in the vinegar sauce. changes the flavor.
Sienna, you want both, you know? Huh?
So first impressions of the HUA HIN water market or floating market, whatever they're calling it. Same. It's nice. It's cute. It's very similar to one we went to south of Bangkok. Actually, I think it was in the province south of Bangkok, and I think we had to pay 80 baht to get in, like per person. So I feel like this being for free is nice, because then you feel like you can come and just walk around anytime and not feel like it's a big splurge. Not that 80 baht is a splurge, but with the cost of everything up right now, you know, every baht helps. So yeah, it's nice. I think they're still kind of filling some of the stores. Like you'll see this one here is empty still, and some of the shops are still under construction. So I think in another month or so, once things kind of pick up and people realize it's here, I think it'll get a lot busier. I also think the weekend will be busier. Today is still Friday. I think school is out now, but when we got here it was still school time, so I think that'll make a big difference as well. So if you're in HUA HIN visiting, come check it out. We're filming this video on November 1st when this reopened, so yeah, come give it a try if you want to get the floating market experience without the hustle and bustle of the Bangkok floating markets, because that's something. Now, it's not the same as riding in the boats around the canals, you know, buying stuff, but you're not going to get hassled here like you will at those places, so that's a pro.
Tom yum. This is weird because there's no soup in it.
Yeah, it's like dry, right? Fried ones, maybe. I can smell it.
That's good.
So yours are just mala noodles, right? The tom yum packet.
This is good.
Yeah, that's Sienna's favorite thing in the world, so she's probably happy.
You want some more, babe?
Delicious.
And
This is good.
alright, now after we eat, we're gonna walk and looking around, see what they have out.
Did you notice how they decorate the buildings? It's like to match the HUA HIN train station.
Yeah.
The red and yellow.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have red and yellow roof. It's the way where we can. That's where to get on the train. Coconut Mountain.
My dream. Sienna, it's okay. I have to go to the bathroom
Oh, the train is back here. Fake one, it's not real.
It's not real?
Yes.
Then what is it made of?
Some foam, something. Be careful, you try to take that and gonna fall down. Look at this boat.
Yeah, they didn't fix it.
Come see. No, come see the root.
I did.
You see, Sienna? You see the root from this tree? go around, wrapping around the boat.
How did it get stuck?
Yeah, look. That's crazy.
Ooh, there's glass. Be careful of the glass.
Yeah, be careful. Alright, now we're gonna buy the ticket for the train.
Honey, we have to get the ticket. Hold on. Oh, it's decorated like the HUA HIN train station.
Let's go before we miss it.
We have to have a ticket first.
Hey, that
Be
rhymes.
patient.
That rhymes.
All right, 20 baht each.
Yeah, I think 20 baht
Let's
each
go.
because 60 baht for
I really want to do this.
Be careful, don't step on the metal.
Why?
All right, here's the train station. It's cute. It looks like the real one, kind of, right? That's cute.
I want to sit in the front.
Okay, you guys sit in the front. I'll sit here.
Yeah, mỏ không ra đi.
It's probably going to be a few minutes. All right, we're going to be taking a little train ride. I was telling Poon they probably should have changed the cover. It's a little moldy, but that's okay. It's got a couple of cars on it. Sienna and Poon have the front seat. You ready?
We're in the front one. Behind the driver.
Yeah. Oh, there's two trains.
It's another train.
That's what they do at those train stations.
Say hi to our car.
We named our car Pearl.
That's all the shops.
Okay guys, that's it for Sampanam Floating Market.
This is the end now. So we're gonna say bye now.
Bye.
Bye.
เอารถไปวิ่งรับผลวิ่งขึ้นชมอย่างนั้นน่ะ